Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is not going to be about trading. I've had a lot of people ask me about how I made extra money just to be able to start investing other than having an actual job. I'm creating some online income. So that's what we're going to cover today. Let's get started. Okay guys, so when I was in college, I was going to class all the time. I didn't have time to get that full-time job or even part-time job really with the way my classes were scheduled. It made it really hard. My parents didn't want me to get even a part-time job at that point. Um, but me being me, I wanted to make money. So with that being said, what I did was I went online and I found a way where I can make money. If you guys can sell anything, you guys can make a ton of money online. And recently, that's what I've been doing. I've been getting back to my core. Basically, just selling a ton of stuff, whether it's eBay, flipping stuff, the Gary Vee challenge, going to yard sales and flipping stuff. Facebook as well. Facebook Marketplace does a pretty good job. Creating a Shopify store. You guys know I have multiple of those. And again, guys, if you guys want more of those, DM me. I'll help you get started. I had some help getting started. So, the one I wanted to really be talking to you about today is one that you don't have to invest a whole lot of money. I suggest you having the product. There's a big thing saying if you want to sell something, own the product, know the product, be part of the product. So what I've done is I've gotten very good at selling things over the time. Whether it was in high school, flipping trucks, flipping cars, flipping phones. I've done it a few times. Just random things. Dirt bikes, four wheelers. I've done it all. It seems like I'm only 21, so I'm sure I'll do more in the future. But with that being said, I really want to go over MCA, which is Motor Club of America. I did this on Facebook in college. Facebook, I've done a little bit on Instagram. Mainly, this one's really a Facebook winner. Those. If you're a stay-at-home mom, this one is awesome for you because you're literally just selling something that people can actually use. It's roadside assistance. If you go to MCA, this is my website. And again, guys, if you guys want to get started and you need a website like mine, you need a cover page that takes people to it. I don't sell it based on my name, but I'm going to be doing this because a lot of people have been messaging me on Instagram or Facebook saying, hey, we need a way to make money so that we can invest, or we can invest in your course so we know how to trade because we want to do that both. So I understand where you're coming from. So right here, if you've already read this, as they have 80, 60 years of experience, um, here's more of it. This is my video. I made, when I was in college, I was making an extra $1,000 a week just through this. So it can be done. If you guys want to go through, I'm going to put this link in the description. It kind of tells you how it is. If you sell one of these memberships, it's 80 bucks a week. Again, you guys can double that, 160. 8 plus 8, 16, cut a 0. Here's two people that prove that they do it as well. There's a ton of people actually on here. You can just click my register now button and it'll actually get you started. What I did is I bought the MCA because I wanted to have it. I don't want to sell something that I don't believe in. So that's where I started. Excuse me. So if you guys want to, you guys click on it. You can click register now and it'll take you straight to it. And you just sign up. That was going to take you to mine. I've recently just been doing this again, just kind of going through helping some people out. If you guys do sign up underneath of me, what I'm going to be doing here is I have a sales thing that will teach you absolutely everything you need to know in order to sell it on Facebook, social media, any kind of social media, YouTube, anything like that. Just message me or comment below. Be like, hey, I signed up underneath of you, and I'll go and check and sign up. If you guys don't want, I'll sell you guys the course that I'm going to give the people that sign up underneath of me. But it'll teach you exactly how I was making $1,000 a month in college, only working a few hours a day while in class on my laptop. It's really not that hard, guys. So with that being said, definitely this is something that it's basically selling a product that people already want. You guys know what AAA is. It's a competitor of them. So definitely give that a look. And if you guys are looking to make extra money, let me know. I'll get you signed up on here and get you moving. But you guys got to be able to put in a little bit of work, of course, learn how to sell. If you guys already know how to sell, get started. I don't know what you're waiting for because this isn't easy. Like, again, you make 1 to 2 sales, an extra $160 a week. Who couldn't use this? I mean, look at this. Now, I was selling upwards of 10. Now, do you know 10 people that have AAA? You're more than likely, you guys know 10 people that actually use roadside assistance or pay for it. So go to them, show them the differences and the benefits of it, and right there, you may have an extra. Say you don't close all 10 of them or all 15 of them. Say you close 5 of them. What was that? An extra $410 right there, instantly. With that being said, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not trying to sell you on anything. I really hope you guys know that. With that being said, DM me, guys. It's really not that hard. Message me. We'll get you started. It's an easy way to make money. If you guys want a website just like this, I'll make that for free if you sign up underneath of me as well. With that being said, guys, I hope this helped a lot on how to make some extra money. It's basically affiliate marketing, but you make a good chunk of it. So I hope you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up if this helped you guys or anything at all. And I'll see you guys on the next one.